Take a consistent before and after photo strategy to clearly show cleaning results and build trust. Start by defining a repeatable workflow. Choose 3 to 5 standard viewpoints for each space, and mark where you stand with a small removable floor marker so framing matches exactly. Use the same camera or phone and set it to the highest resolution, turn off filters, and lock exposure and focus when possible so lighting and sharpness stay consistent between shots. For interior shots, use ambient light supplemented by a portable LED panel at a fixed brightness to avoid color shifts. For exterior or bright rooms, shoot with the sun behind you or use fill light to prevent blown highlights. Include a mid-range shot to show context, a close-up to document problem areas, and an angled detail to reveal texture changes after cleaning. Timestamp or record the date and time in your file names using a structured format such as year, month, day, _ project name so files sort reliably, and keep raw copies plus edited versions so you can produce both evidence and polished images for marketing. When delivering photos to clients, include brief captions that describe what was done, the products or methods used, and any safety notes so the images become a complete, defensible record. Common mistakes start with inconsistent framing, which makes comparisons unreliable. Fix this by marking positions and using the same focal length or zoom level for before and after shots. Another issue is variable lighting that alters colors and shadows and can make results look misleading. Control this by using the same light sources and locking camera exposure or by shooting in manual mode. A final problem is poor file management leading to lost or misattributed images. Solve that by using a clear naming convention, backing up to cloud storage, and including project metadata such as address and scope in each folder. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by making it easy to showcase project photos and client feedback. We also host a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips on documentation, pricing, and best practices.